Welcome to our guide on how to sign up for a Shopify free trial. Shopify is a leading e-commerce platform that allows you to create an online store with ease. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to start your free trial and explore Shopify's features to kickstart your online business. Open your web browser and go to www.shopify.com. Look for the Start Free Trial button, usually located at the top right corner or center of the homepage. Click the Start Free Trial button. You'll be prompted to enter your email address. Type in a valid email address that you have access to, as Shopify will send you important account information. After submitting your email, you will be redirected to this page. There is a small skip button below. You can click it to pass on this payment details. You'll be taken to a page to set up your store. Fill in a few basic details, such as your business goals or whether you're already selling products. Don't worry, these answers won't lock you into anything. They help Shopify tailor your experience. After signing up, you'll be redirected to the Shopify admin dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. You can explore features like adding products, customizing your store's theme, and setting up payment methods. During your free trial. As of 2025, Shopify typically offers a 3-day free trial, followed by a discounted first month, like $1 a month for the first 3 months on select plans. However, trial durations and promotions may vary, so check the Shopify website for the latest offer. No credit card is required to start the trial, but you'll need to select a paid plan to continue using Shopify after the trial ends. During the trial, you have access to most Shopify features, including store setup, theme customization, and app integrations. Make the most of your trial. Use the trial period to build your store by adding products and customizing the design. Test Shopify's features, such as payment gateways, shipping settings, and marketing tools. Explore Shopify's App Store to find tools that can enhance your store's functionality. If you need help, Shopify offers 24/7 support via live chat, email, or their extensive help center. That's it! You're now ready to start your Shopify free trial and begin building your online store. Follow these steps, explore the platform, and take advantage of Shopify's powerful tools to bring your business vision to life.